Hey, M&M squad. It's Max Mafia in the house. You know what? I couldn't figure out what I wanted to eat tonight. And have you ever just sat there and wondered, what should I eat tonight? I don't really have a craving for any heavy food, Chinese food, soul food. So you guess what? This is what we're gonna eat. I got a craving for cereal tonight. Has anybody ever tried Fruit Loops Tropical Punch? My M&M squad gonna try it with me. And guess what else we got? Apple Jacks Cinnamon. Now I've tried Apple Jacks before, but I've never tried Fruit Loops Tropical Punch. And we got a twist. I'm gonna try them together. Did you hear me? I'm gonna eat them together in this big ass bowl. So I told y'all, next time y'all watch me eat, you better have something in front of you eating or drinking or something. Because I like to eat with somebody else. All right? So if you ain't got your food yet, grab something quick because I'm about to get it started. I hate when these cereals open up and half the box, the top open up by itself. You know what I'm saying? Half of it is all broke off. I like to have my cereal. Shit. Oh, there it is. Y'all see this big ass bowl I'm about to eat out of? So half of this up in there. Smells good. Y'all see that? Y'all gonna eat with me. I got a big enough spoon for everybody. Let's see if I can open up this box without tearing it half open. What the? There you go. That's how I like it. Open smooth. We about to feast tonight, baby. Mix it up real good for us so we can have a little tropical and a little cinnamon. I'm sorry, cinnamon. My mouth is watering right now. And you know you gotta have some milk. It don't matter what kind it is, low fat, vitamin D, almond. It don't even matter what it is. We're gonna have some milk. And I'm gonna use the whole thing of milk. Because I need it. Oh shit, it's falling everywhere. Okay, I get that back up. Let's take this first bite together. There y'all go. I'll put that right there. Y'all get y'all some? Yeah. You get you some over there? You got some? All right. Let's see how they go. You taste that tropical Fruit Loop. Let's see what kind of flavors we got. Pineapple, banana, orange, and mango. Y'all see that? Mm. Pineapple, banana, orange, and mango. Y'all need to try this. I've never tried this, but it's good. But you know it's fattening. I'm supposed to be on my diet because I'm starting to work out, you know, do my thing, trying to get this, you know what I'm saying, back together. But you know what? I had a taste for some cereal, and when I want something, I'm gonna get it. Mm. 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 That's good. You know what? I've never eaten with a big ass spoon like this. Well, we know it's not a spoon, but I figured I'd just go overboard and eat like the Flintstones. Yabba dabba da. Man, I got cereals all on my arm. Y'all like my golf hat? Anybody out there play golf? We need to get a couple rounds in. Mm. Let me give y'all another bite. Make sure that ain't falling over. Mm. I see you. You get too much. Save some for somebody else. All right, y'all got it? That's some good cereal. Woo! I don't know how I'm gonna eat all this. Cause I ain't gonna eat all this. So I'm gonna take a couple more bites. Still crunchy. You hear the crunch? I might take this down to the next door neighbor. They got like 7 kids. But like y'all can finish off the cereal. I guess as a kid, I wish I could eat a bowl of cereal like this back in the day. About 25 years ago when I was about 5 years old. I wish my mama would have let me make some cereal like this. I think I would have ate a whole bowl back then. What you think? Maybe at 10 years old, I might would have ate a whole bowl of this cereal. But today, you know, I get my sweet tooth sometime, and I get me a couple bites, and I'm good. But you know I was joking about the neighbors. I'm not taking no cereal to them kids. Here go another big bite right here. Mm. And we know Apple Jacks supposed to have a little bit more cinnamon in it. You see where it said more cinnamon? And then when I was a kid, see all this on the back? You get to read all the cartoons and stuff. I'll let you read it. Start from the top. That was my favorite part, eating the cereal. That either I was going to get a prize out the box, or I was going to be able to read or, you know, do something on the back. Color something or whatever. This also has something on this one. Nice, right? That keeps the little kids' attention. Give them something to read instead of just always, you know, on their phone. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, shit. Excuse me, Eminem Squad. But when it's good, it's G-O-O-D. Let me try some more of these. Woo! You know who I want to eat with? If I had a chance to eat some cereal with somebody, who would I want to eat with? I want to eat with Madea and Lips. Because I know Lips going to eat up some cereal. And I know Madea going to eat up some cereal. We're going to have a whole bunch of stuff to laugh about. And I think they like the kind of cereal I like. So if I had a chance to eat some cereal with somebody, it would be M to the Dia and L to the Lips. Say amen to that. Can I get an amen?
Amen.
Oh, shit, I don't know what that was. Woo! I gotta do a challenge of who can eat a whole bowl of cereal the quickest. But see, I ate something earlier and I didn't mukbang it, which I should have. But I think if I hadn't eaten anything all day and this is all I needed to eat tonight, yeah, I think I can eat this whole bowl of cereal. And I think I can eat it fast. Whew. I need some of that water back there. What we got? We got cold water, we got Diet Coke, and we got some Stella Rose Black, baby. Stella Rose Black, baby. You tell me what you want. If you had a choice. Some cold water, some Diet Coke, or some Stella Rose Black, baby. I'm gonna get some more of this right here. Can't get enough of. Sometimes you just gotta let the milk drip on down your mouth. Cause you don't feel like wiping it off. Whew. Okay, I guess that's enough for me. Thank you for watching me again. And as you know, as always, oh, it's stuck in my throat. But like I was gonna choke up. My esophagus was gonna fall out or something. Woo. All right. But as you know, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that bell so you can get all the notifications when I upload a video. And comment. and subscribe and share my video. Share my video. I'm trying to get at least 500 subscribers. Come on, Eminem Squad. Come on, people. Come join the Eminem Squad. We need some more members. You know how we do it. We hoop. We got subs, 5 at a time. We got tournaments. We need a whole bunch of squads. So come on through. We got you. I got your uniform, your gym shoes, all that is good. Come through and join the Eminem Squad. As always, peace, joy, happiness, and love. And I'm always praying for you. Thank you for watching.